Hello everybody, Flux here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a crunchy video issue that you might be having while recording in OBS in higher resolution with your VTuber. You'll see on the left, I'm looking a little bit crunchy. On the right, I look perfectly fine. Now this is obviously not that big of an issue. You can really only see it in places like the mouth and along the jawline that it looks pretty crunchy and not good. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what the issue might be that you're having in the case that you are using Vtube Studio at 2560 1440p like I am. Alright, so within our actual Vtube Studio settings, we're going to go into the camera menu. And we're going to scroll down just a little bit until we get to this part that says quality and effects. And in here, you're going to set it to your computer's native resolution or your monitor's native resolution. In my case, I have a 1440p monitor, so mine is set to 2560 by 1440. The issue that you're probably having if you have scaled this up to match your monitor's higher resolution, if it's higher than 1080p, is that you probably are seeing it perfectly fine within the actual program itself, and then when you use the virtual camera to record, it doesn't look good. It looks a little bit crunchy. Now the reason for this is that when you adjust the actual scale of the application itself, it makes it look nice and good on your monitor, but it actually does not adjust the scaling for the virtual webcam as well. You have to do that manually within OBS. So make sure that you remember what your resolution settings are here, because we're going to be copying that exact sizing for the virtual webcam as well. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. Okay, so here we are. This right here is my crunchy little self. I'm looking very crunchy, huh? You can really tell again in the mouth and along the jawline. Some of the lines on the body and things like that just don't look that clean anymore, and that's because it hasn't been scaled up. So all we have to do is, assuming you already have your virtual webcam set as a source within OBS, you're just going to go into the properties menu. You can do that by clicking here or right-clicking and going down to the properties section. And then we're going to scroll down just a tad. Right here, it says resolution and FPS type, and you're going to want to swap from device default to custom. And here you will be selecting, oh, I need to move myself over now. So now you'll see I am looking much less crunchy, and that's because I changed the resolution down here. So just make sure that you have the actual resolution setting changed within the virtual webcam in OBS, as well as in the actual app itself. Right, and that's all that needs to be done, and you should be back to normal and not crunchy at all anymore. So hopefully that helped you. If you have any questions, don't be shy and go ahead and leave them down in the comments below for me. And otherwise, happy video recording, take care, and enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening.